Tips to get over the fear of driving. Try taking short trips with someone along with you. At first, stick to daytime driving as vehicles are much more difficult to see in the night. Listen to relaxing and upbeat music at low volume to take your mind off the nervousness. One of the best ways to overcome this fear is by taking a driver's training course by a professional instructor. Try to drive on highways to get rid of your anxiety. Understand the root of your problem and confront your phobia. Review the driver's safety manual and work up driving in more stressful situations. Thank you. For more, visit our site www.carliner.com.